A package. Howdy, welcome back. Update. Wherever the fuck my knife is. Last time I used it was out in here, but I think I moved it since. But where is another question. Gosh darn it. There it is. Just didn't see it. I saw the small one and that was it. Anywho, I got one out of my 3 packages from fucking Pro Shop. Oh, wait a minute. Oh. Never mind, there are pull tabs. But even though they're pull tabs, these corners are still a pain in the butt. Still a pain in the half. Now, this relic. Well, yes, it's my fucking panel. And I have this one that finally arrived. Ow! No. Oh, never mind. It was a 2U panel. With 24 per row. Oh yeah, never mind, I did cut myself on the paper, on the cardboard.
Take a screenshot of that, please.
Well, that's the second quote-unquote damage of the day. Cat?
Yes?
Pop, sa du?
Stop hurting yourself.
Well, welcome to my fucking life. So yeah, so this is a 2U panel. Label strip right here. So pretty much this one, well, the plan was to put it in the back, but at this point the question is like, put it in the back, but so, well, this is the label strip. Well, I suppose in the back it goes, but the big question is where in the back does it go? Because, well, here we currently have cables out. So it could pop in like here, or it could pop in like, well, it can't pop in there because there's shite there, so, well, I suppose the cables that are currently coming in here is going out of here for the time being, since, well, I need to get shit in here now. Yeah, that's gonna be kinda, yeah. That's gonna be a heck hole and a half. Well, set up, jot down, because, well, I have to unplug this bastard, because he's in the way, and well, technically speaking, this fuck is in the way too, but I suppose we'll just have to make the best of it. Okay, just unplug the entire schlank and a half. So, well, boom, there you go. Boom, boom, and then I had the like pack of washers or whatnot. Well, I had the pack of washers in here. just one time. Unless I yeeted the pack of washers to the next dimension, which I potentially
Your
have.
Amazon account is linked to Amazon Germany.
Shut up, you donk! I didn't ask you, you bitch!
Language on your Alexa app. Inside devices.
Shut up, I'm unplugging you now, bloody hell. This is the third time today. Lordy hell. She can just never catch a break. Lordy hell. And I don't know where the fuck the washers went. Well, if I can't find the washers, then I can't find the washers. Now, the ones in the front are the big ones, the ones in the back are the small ones, and these are the big ones, I believe. Yes. Which means that this pack we're gonna have, and a screwdriver and a half. Well, I don't know where the fuck the washers are, because they're not here, so I'll just be screwing her in without them right now.
Ah, ses som du har. Aw, that's sad. Look at that. Not always.
For fuck's sake, phone.